the beach looks like. Oh, wow! Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It's Rica Mabelle, your Airbnb Superhost. And for today's video, we are here right now at home. Ayan, so it's been such a long time since I last went home here in Tagaytay. And actually, based on my last compute, it's been a month since I last went home. And it feels so good to be back. Actually, I've been here since last week, last Saturday, I think, if I'm not mistaken. And this past few days, I've been doing things na doing work. Ayan, so nag-work tayo this past few days, kaya ngayon pa lang tayo nag-catch a break. Ayan, so ngayon pa lang din tayo makaka-film ng video. Ayan, it's this video. Ayan, so for today's video, we're gonna go to Rica Beach House. Actually, it's been also a month since I last went to Rica Beach House. And we're so grateful kasi this past few days, super inuulan po tayo ng good feedback. Ayan, so aside from the rainy season, is meron talaga tayong mga good feedback. And I'm just so grateful for all the wonderful guests that appreciate our place and our offer. And most of all, sa ating staff na very hardworking, sa ating staff and caretakers. Ayan, kasi it wouldn't be possible if alam niyo yun, parang it wouldn't be possible if mag-isa lang tayo sa lahat. So, dapat mas maganda if meron tayong mga kapartner sa ating pagpapasaya sa ating mga guests. Ayan. Little bit of story time, sobrang nostalgic din kasi last year, medyo one-man team pa tayo, ganyan. So, one-man team sa marketing, one-man team sa pag-answer ng inquiries, one-man team sa lahat, ganyan. So, it feels so nice kasi right now, we are starting to grow our team na ganyan. And then, meron din talaga tayong mga caretakers that helps us take care of our guests na aligned naman sila. Kumbaga yung values nila as a caretaker is aligned naman sa ating values and goals sa ating mga accommodations, which is for you to have a wonderful stay. Ayan. Gusto talaga namin na magkaroon kayo ng wonderful stay, wonderful and fantastic, extra bombastic stay sa aming mga staycations. Ayun. And then, yan, this past few days, I've also been hanging out with our super fat pets. I mean, they're getting so fat and they're getting so big. And maybe tomorrow, I'll be filming a cat update for you guys. Ayan. So, I'm so excited. Ayan. So, I'll just be calling my dad para maano na yung car. Para malaman na kung saan yung whereabouts ng car, kung saan man siya manggagaling. And then, punta na tayo sa, sa beach house. Ayan. So, let's go! Here is what the beach looks like. Right now, kahit na paano medyo calm na yung waves. Hindi lang siya masyadong kita over here. Ayan. So, hello guys. Actually, we are already here at Rica Beach House. We arrived at around 4 p.m. if I'm not mistaken. Mga 4 or 3 something tayo naka-arrive dito. And then, nandito kami ngayon sa Rosal House. So, the weather today is kind of rainy. Ayan, so since it's already the rainy season. And, yeah, work lang din ako kanina, and right now I'll just have another meeting over here. And the good thing is the Wi-Fi here is super fast. Like yung GCash, pag nag-transfer ako ng money, ora-ora na talaga siya. Tsaka yung messages is mabilis lang din talaga ma-receive. So it's a plus if you guys are gonna be working from home, ganyan, or may work kayong dadalhin, or if you are freelancers, or if you are mga business teams and you want to have a meeting at chillax business planning, pwede po kayo dito. A while ago, nagkaroon kami ng mga technical difficulty pagdating sa connection, but I'm happy to say right now na we already had it fixed and the Wi-Fi right now is super fast na. As in, pag tinignan mo sa phone mo, ganyan, nakalagay na talaga siya na very fast yung ating connection, which is really nice. Ayan. Ayun. So, I'll just be having a meeting right now and I'll be catching up with you guys kasi later, kung aabutin pa ako ng may araw pa or may light pa kahit paano kasi madilim ngayon, kung aabutin pa ako noon, try natin magmuni-muni sa dalampasigan kahit umuulan dahil may payong naman tayo. Ayan. So, right now actually dito sa harap ko, ayan, kita ko na din yung yung construction na ginagawa dito. So, ngayon wala pa ulit nagko-construct but hopefully magtuloy-tuloy siya ulit. So, ito yung itsura ng Rosal House kapag wala pang guest na nag-occupy. Kumbaga, hindi pa siya siniset mismo. Ito yung pinaka, itsura niya. Ayan. So, ayun. So, let's just hop on a meeting. Quick meeting lang nun siya about matters in Mindanao. Ayan. So, yes. Let's go. Hello, guys. So, I just finished my meeting and me and my sister were gonna go out. I'm just gonna turn off the lights. Ayan. Me and my sister were gonna go out and explore this new place daw sa Lemery, Batangas, which is the EBS Diner. Not so sure with the exact name, but it's a new diner dito sa Lemery. Ito yung current state of the beach right now. Ayan. So, punta lang kami sa car. Let's go! Sana masarap ang dito. Tayo malapit sa sinuman kung walang sasakyan. Ay, may motor. This is the Yang Yang chicken. So it's a red night for us. Ayan. Dito din pala sa Rica Beach House is as you can see, meron na tayong pinaka-water dispenser and yung pinaka-ref. Ayan. So for this one, since yung water dispenser natin is already produces hot water, ganyan, you don't have to look for yung mga kettle, ganyan. Yan. And then, din siya, kapag naubusan kayo ng water, sabihan nyo lang yung caretakers namin kasi magdadala sila sa inyo free of charge. So, very siya. Hindi na kayo magdadala ng mga Wilkins, yung mga galon-galon, yung mga paggalon-galon. Kasi, isang tawag lang sa caretakers is, they'll bring you water na. Ayan. So, nag-drink lang tayo ng hot water para mag-jumpstart ang ating digestion. Ayan, it's a very hot morning here din pala, guys. And then, Dito tayo ngayon sa Kampupot 4, one of my favorite units dito sa Rica Beach House kasi very siya. Nice ang view and very maaliwalas. Ayan, nandun na yung dagat. Plus, meron din tayo dito another set of windows. Ayan, so unlike sa Kampupot 2 and 3 na more on sa front lang yung pinaka-passage ng air, dito is meron din tayong windows on the side. Yung itsura ng dagat natin for this morning. Ayan, so far calm naman yung dagat compared nung last time na talagang turbulent siya. Ayan, so actually, yung dumating ngayon na tao is someone that could help us with the construction, which is dun sa electrical. So, since naka-GUMAMELA na sila, ayan, ang mangyayari is, ima-mark ko na lang yung mga areas na lalagyan nila ng outlet. So, right here is nakakuha na ako ng uling. Ayan, so ima-mark ko yung kanilang yung lalagyan pa nila ng outlets and everything para syempre para makausad na tayo dito sa restaurant. Ayan, so ito na siya ngayon. Ayan, here is what it looks like. Ayan. Ayan. Yan yung itsura niya ngayon. Hopefully, this year is maka-operate na talaga tayo para sa Christmas. Ayan, hindi na tayo need na masyado magdala ng sobrang daming food. That's what it looks like now and I'm so excited. Sige, bale. Ipakita ko lang sa inyo kung ano na itsura niya right now, okay?